So, everyone, as you know, today the topic that we are discussing actually days versus nights. You know what? Which is the best time for studies? Which is the best time for enjoyment? Which is the best time for what I can say business? And for every angle we have to discuss. यू नो वॉट आपकी लाइफ का सबसे अच्छा टाइम कौन सा होता है, दिन का या रात का? आप अगर एक बिजनेसमैन से पूछोगे तो वो क्या बोलेगा पता है आपको? कि नाइट का टाइम बहुत अच्छा है भाई, दिन भर तो इतने कस्टमर्स, इतना सब कुछ, ये वो 17 चीज़ें होती हैं, बहुत परेशानी, रात में सुकून मिलता है, कम से कम शांति से सोते तो आराम तो करते हैं. ऑन द अदर हैंड सम पीपल बिलीव दैट नाउ डेज आर द बेस्ट because in day we walk actively, we walk, we meet with the people, we improve ourselves, we improve our skills. You know what? So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's know what these trends are talking about. We start from you. What do you think? Days or nights? Which is the best?
Sir, I think that days are more better as compared to night, as it is my personal experience. Whenever I try to study in day, like I feel very relaxed and good.
Yeah.
But like in night we tired, and I think that like the thing which we study in day, it will fix to our mind.
Okay. So you think that the days are best?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's know what others are saying. Yes. What do you think?
But I think nights are better because most of the students are studying at night time, and also they're like we are having that kind of concentration because we are having that mindset that the next day we have to perform like for our activities, school activities. So we are like more concentrated and more serious at night time. That's why.
Okay. Actually, that's great. Yes.
Like the day is better than night because very fresh mood in the day, and we also study in the fresh mood, so that's why we are not sleeping.
Okay.
I want to oppose your point, as you said that studying in night is like more good as compared to studying in morning. Like when we study in night, so like when our family members are sleeping, like looking them, we also feel like sleepy. So what about that?
Okay. She has a point. Yes. What do you think?
I think nights are better for study because in night there is no sounds and no noise, and we can focus on our study very well.
Okay.
That's why I prefer night for study.
That's why night time is better
Than days.
Okay. And what Ritu thinks?
Yes, sir. Because night is better because we can focus our studies. Those students are preparing for competitive exams. So night is better.
Okay. These students who are doing preparation for competitive exams, nights are best for them. Yes.
Okay, if we are talking from the perspective of studies, so I have listened to lots of motivational speakers. Even recommend the time of from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. is the precious time to study in the whole day. As when we study at that time, so our mind.
It's a prime time, you can say.
Yes, sir. It's the prime time.
Yeah.
And if we are talking about from the perspective of professionals who are working whole the day, so they have hardly time to pursue their hobbies. So night time are the best time to pursue their hobbies.
Okay, night times are the best time for pursuing the hobbies. And in terms of studies, if we talk about, then the days are better. Let's know what Vishu is going to say.
So I tend to believe that days are better than night in context of traveling, because you can travel freely in the day and there are very less chances of having accidents as well. Whereas during the nights, the driver can't really see the road, so the chances of accidents are very high. And you can, during the day, of course you have light and you can see everything clearly and you can travel efficiently as well.
But you know what? If we have to enjoy the moonlight, you know what? If we have to we have to look the sky full with stars. Can we enjoy these things in day? It's impossible.
But can't you, like as you said, you can't see the stars and the moon during the day, but you can't even see the sun during the night. I do believe that.
Okay, that's also the point. Wow. Let's know what she's going to say. Yes.
As comparison to day, night is best. During physical time, I am wake up 4 o'clock and going for stadium physically for MP police training, and that time is good. And study के लिए भी मतलब 10 to 3 is good for study. Brahma Muhurat is started from 3:30 to 6 a.m. So
Okay.
it is better for study also.
It's better for studies. The Brahma Muhurat. Now she's talking about. Okay, what Arna is going to say?
If you're talking about the silence in night, so what about the silence of morning? Like there is no one, so you can do exercises, yoga. And what about the energy levels also?
Yes.
Working the whole day makes you tired in night, but in the morning you have the maximum energy in your body.
So you mean in morning we are filled with energy.
Yes.
And also the morning time is completely silent. Even the words chirping we heard, and it's just like a motivation.
So it's like a natural vibe.
Yeah, natural vibes we have. Yes.
So I think that during the day we are more productive, we are more energetic, and we are doing the work very nicely. And it is recommend that health is good, health is wealth, and during the night when we are studying or when we are working, it is affecting our health.
Okay, and what Anushri is going to say?
I believe the same, that day is better to study and to do whatever work you have to do, because if we are talking about health perspective, I think it is definitely going to affect your health if you are working whole day long and you're working and you're then studying late nights. It will affect your eye, it will affect your health, and it will make you feel more lazy in the next day.
Okay, fine, that's great. Yes.
So I think the day is better than a night, because in a day, firstly, one thing I want to say for our health, good health, in the day in the morning we got a vitamin D due to sunlight. And one thing, and the day we go to schools, college at all, and we do study, so it's better because in the morning we have that fresh mind and we can focus in our studies. But when we study in the morning at all, whatever work we done in the morning, we are tired, we are not able, we don't have energy, so we want to relax, and we relax in the night only. And if we do the work in the night now, so the person have a stress mind.
Okay, chalo, that's great. Yes, Katkeji.
Sir, I think night is the best, because night is everyone gives the valuable time for family, because
Yes.
whole day they are working. Some students are they going to school, and the workers are they are going to the offices. Whole day they stress remove from they to get together the family. They are having the food and they are enjoying with their childrens. That's why night time is very good for us.
Night time is very good for us. Okay, that's great. Yes.
So we are talking about students, but what about businessmen and housewives?
Yeah.
Like my mom is a writer, and she don't have time in days. She don't have time in days because of works, and she is free and time for studying.
Okay.
What to write in the poems.
Okay, that's great. Wow, Chuli. Yeah, coming to you.
Sir, in day there are heat, so we cannot go outside. But in night, there is cold, so we can do group studies.
Yes. She has a point. Yes, coming to you. Yes, Tulsi is saying something. Yes.
Sir, I think that day is better than night, because some girls can do job in night, but in day, but not night, because night is very risky.
Night is very risky for the girls. Is it right that girls don't feel safe in nights?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, no sir, especially girls are feeling safe in night, because in morning if they are going out with their vehicles due to some weathers or due to some misbehaving of the peoples which we are finding, then in morning we are safe, in night I can say we are feeling safe than morning. And personally I prefer to study in night, because in morning time I am feeling much disturbance from my members of the family, because as I am living in joint family. So
Okay. Yes.
Sir, as Katke sir said one point that we have time for a family. We also have time at night time for celebrations and lots of things like weddings, birthday parties. So we celebrate that moments with our family, with our friends at night time. We can't do it in daytime because there's lots
Now,
of...
the birthday can't be celebrated in day.
Sir, it can be, but... Sir,
Yeah,
it can be...
celebrated in day too.
Sir, but
Yeah,
mostly...
even in day we can have a lot of fun. Yeah.
But mostly people prefer to celebrate in night times.
Yeah, it's prefer. They prefer. Chili. That's great, everyone. Now, no doubt, days and nights both are extremely important. It's up to us how we use it. It's up to us how we make our day. And remember one thing: without nights, days are useless, and without days, nights are useless. So there is a circle. God has actually given it 24 hours, 12 hours for day and 12 hours for nights. You know what? So we should use them wisely, and this is very important, that each and every moment of the time, whether it is day or night, is crucial and very important. We should not waste it. We should use it, and we should try to be something. A good clapping for all, everyone. Wow. Okay, chalo milte hain.